Welcome back to eSim Studios. We have a special case review here for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Our friends over at Benks sent us this case in return for an honest, fair, and balanced case review. As many of the subscribers and viewers of this channel know, we specialize in case reviews. Nobody does it better than us. Now, if you're not familiar with Benks, Benks is a digital accessories company for 15 years with one persistent goal: to improve your work productivity. Now, you can purchase this case on their website. And if you sign up, I'll put a link in the description for this case. But you can also, if you sign up with your email, you get up to 60% off. Now, before we unbox this, it is on sale right now for $35.99. And as I mentioned, if you do sign up with your email, you can get up to 60% off. 60% off. Now, they have it for the S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra. This is obviously the S23 Ultra. This is their MagClap ArmorAir case for the S23 Ultra. Enjoy sleek and lightweight protection for your Samsung Galaxy S23 series with Benks ArmorAir Cases. Masterfully crafted from DuPont Kevlar fiber. Now, we will get into that in just a second. It is thin and lightweight. It is compatible with MagSafe. Minimalist design, smooth grip sensation, protection for your lenses. And that is exactly what I love. Now, DuPont, DuPont Kevlar, a very interesting product. I've never actually used and or reviewed a case with Kevlar or constructed with Kevlar. The DuPont Kevlar, I did some research on it. I've actually been using this case on my S23 Ultra for the last couple of days. I like to use the case before I review them for you because, as you know, sometimes, look, I don't want to get a case in the mail and then review it immediately. Just because, look, there might be an issue with the way it's constructed. If something pokes you in the fingers, the way you hold it. So I like to use them first and then give you my honest opinion about what I like, what I don't like. This is a mighty strong case. Now, one of the benefits of Kevlar, it is a very strong material, and it's, as it mentioned, very lightweight. So you get all the benefits and protection from a big, bulky case, but this is Kevlar, so you don't have to have all that bulk. But this is very minimal, so it doesn't feel like you're carrying around a brick in your hand or your pocket. As y'all know, the S23 Ultra is a huge device, and having this actually protects it fairly well. Now, it is MagSafe compatible, and it works wonderfully. I can tell you, it works absolutely perfect. Stays in place, is not loose, does not shake, does not come loose with going over bumps or just on your daily drive. It is inside here. It is compatible if you put the MagSafe thing right there. As you can tell, it's designed with Kevlar, and then you get the Benks logo right there. Very minimalistic design. I like that. If you're a person that absolutely has to have a minimal design, a minimal feel, I personally hate the bulky feel of cases. That is why I love and will ultimately recommend this case. As I mentioned, I've been using it for a few days. Absolutely, it feels great. It gives you really, really good protection. Look, it's very stiff, and rigid, which is good. Very important. This is a nice, rigid, very, very solid build. I'm actually blown away by the craftsmanship and design on this. It's absolutely, let me move this out of the way. It's absolutely phenomenal. You have the cutout there for the mic. Down here, you have the S Pen. We will get to that in just a moment. Then you have the speaker cutout to the right of that here, and your nice big cutout for the USB Type-C cable. Does have a nice lip on it here on the top and the bottom, so we will test that out. And it's perfectly designed and cut just for the curved screen. You got your power, your volume rocker cut out there, and then you have your camera protection. Let's go ahead and slap it on. Nice and easy. Look at that. Wow, that looks awesome. Feels great in hand. It feels like you're holding the phone. Now, let's look at the cutout. So you have a nice, precise cutout there for the microphone up top. Again, power, cable, mics, speakers, S Pen. We will eject that in a second. It does 100% come up and over the camera sensors on the back, both your 3 main and these 2 right here. So you're not going to get those scratched up. You can tell it's just ever so slightly elevated. Look at that. Perfect. Now let's try the S Pen. No issues whatsoever. You are protected with this DuPont Kevlar it's constructed out of. Absolutely wonderful. Now, getting back to the case. Phone case protective. Thin and light, enhanced impact resistance, built with DuPont Kevlar. And then we have, since 2008, like I said, about 15 years. And let's see, magnetic back for the MagSafe. DuPont Kevlar, it's got some interesting facts right there. And this sticker lets you know it is an official product. So once again, I want to thank Benks. I will link the item description to the website so you can purchase this. And again, if you sign up with your email, you get up to 60% off. And I can almost guarantee that you're going to, if you like minimal cases, this is the one to get for your S23 Ultra. I can guarantee you that. This is by far the best thin case I've ever put on my S23 Ultra. So I want to thank Benks, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you got any questions. Hit me up in the comments, and I will get right back to you. All right, guys. Peace out. Wow, that looks awesome.